it's so good to see you again. Thanks for showing up. Today, I'm going to be opening up June's Allure Beauty Box. So this runs $15 monthly. It's plus tax, so I paid $16.05. I know. I can't get away from taxes. What can I say? And it usually includes about 5 to 6 products. It's a mix of full or sample size products. So opening up the box, they always include a pamphlet. It gives you a description of everything included this month, how to use the items, and the cost. And usually also includes coupons. This is the bag that it comes in. It's a plastic bag. I usually use these for traveling. It's great. But it's lime green is the color for this month. And it is not ripped. So that is also a win in my book. So the product that was not in the bag, this is called SGX NYC. And this is the Do-It-All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. It's not even included in the book. Is this like new or something? So it looks like the full size of this runs $6.99. If you want it, go get it. I usually don't go for hair products, so I'll probably put it in a giveaway or give it away to somebody I know. And this is a Moroccanoil Treatment. They're saying the full price of this, full size of this runs $44. Sounds a little questionable to me, but I'm just going to go by what they're quoting. I do use the Moroccanoil hair product, so this is going to be useful. I've never actually used a hair treatment before. Context, and it's a vitamin C all-day eye cream. I actually don't have an eye cream, so this is going to come in handy. Okay, just put that on the back of my hand first. So that's what it looks like. It's actually a gel, not a cream, but I'll just put some here. It's slightly cool. Oh, Jesus. There's a tingling sensation. It's like I almost like rubbed like mint below my eyes. So there is a slight tingle. Do I look depuffed? And apparently you can use it as a makeup base as well, so that's going to be interesting. And the full size of this runs $35. The tingling went away really fast. I'm glad I have an eye cream now, so that's handy. I've always wanted one. It's an thermal spring water. Soothing, softening. Please don't tell me they sent me water. They sent me water. What? They sent me water. The ingredients are water and nitrogen. That's it. It's a soothing spray. I'm assuming because of summer, but I'll tell you what, I will never buy water in a bottle. Well, for my face anyway, in a spray bottle is what I mean, because I can just buy bottled water and spray my face with that. Or use tap water. Or find a spring and use spring water. I am not pleased with this. But I'm going to open it up and see how it feels on my face. I paid for it already. I want a refund. This is some BS. It even comes with a little pamphlet. What? You want to teach me how to spray water? They have pictures on how to spray water. That is hilarious. What? This is like the craziest thing I've ever seen. I am not this bougie. Regular water works just fine. It feels like a spray of water in my face. So you can get this for $18.50. I got 2 hair products, an eye cream that I'm okay with, and water. Okay, I'm just gonna calm down. Calm down. The Browgal Eyebrow Pencil. And look at that. Comes with its own sharpener, so that's interesting. Like the top is a sharpener. Never seen that before. Handy, makes it really handy. And the bottom is a nice little brow. Oh, and this is in medium brown. I'm not really mad at that because I do a mix of brown and black. I use the Eyebrow Pencil. I prefer this a lot more than I do the wax. It just gives me a little bit more control as to where I'm going and how I want my eyebrows to look. So, thank you. I like this one. I thought I would hate it, but I do not. So that's good. And this runs $23. A floss. No, not dental floss, because I'd be like, what? Apparently it's called my new favorite lip gloss. Interesting. Pretty large tube. This is like the largest tube I've ever seen of lip gloss. This runs $16. This is not my new favorite lip gloss. I can tell you that right now. So that's the applicator. Interesting. Doesn't really smell like anything. Yeah, my lips are glossy. I don't understand why this is my new favorite though. I've had lip gloss like this before. The formula is thin, so it feels lightweight and comfortable on the lips. True. The doe foot applicator spreads the gloss on easily without creating a sticky mess. I don't usually come across a sticky mess, but okay. Yes, my lips are shiny. No, this is not my new favorite lip gloss. I've had others that are just as shiny. I mean, everything in here worked. I'm not gonna say it didn't, except for the dry shampoo. I ain't rolling with the dry shampoo. Everything in here I can find a use for, but I'm a little underwhelmed. Like, you're supposed to give me stuff I've never seen before. I've seen a lip gloss before. I don't know what to tell you. And you sent me water. I want a refund for that. That's it. Bye.